Hello everybody, it's Glenn and I'm making a quick tutorial about how to edit posts with the Divi builder. This is going to help you set up and design your posts so that the images and text don't overlap and display oddly in different browsers and on different devices. So with that in mind, I'll get right to it. The first thing you want to do is add a new post. And while there's a couple of ways to do that, I find the fastest way is just to go to the gauge icon in the upper right hand corner right here, click on it, and open the dashboard. From the dashboard, you can select Posts, All Posts, or in this case, Add New. We'll just close this dialog box and we'll add a new title. I'll name this post Delete Me. Then I want to select this purple button, Use Divi Builder. Once you do, you'll get these three options, and you want to select the first option, Start Building or Build from Scratch. That'll open up a dialog box and it'll ask you to insert a row into your post. And this is where you can select the column configuration of your post. One of the more common ones is this 7.5 setup here in the middle. And if you click on it, you'll see that you're next asked to add a module. And so for most of the posts I design, I like the text on the left. So I'm going to go scroll down and select a text module. Divi by default gives you some placeholder text so that you can see where you're at in the visual builder. And I'm just going to go ahead and click Save Changes here. You can see there that the placeholder text is now in the post. I'm going to do the same thing with an image module on the right. You can search in the top bar if you don't want to scroll through all of the modules. By default, the image module also has a placeholder. It's these two mountains and a sun. If you hover over that image, up in the top right-hand corner of the preview screen, you'll see these three options. I'm going to select the garbage can option. That clears the placeholder image and allows you to select an image of your own. By clicking on that icon, you'll be taken to the media gallery. And here, all of the pictures on your website reside. So you could take your pick, but for simplicity's sake, I'll just pick this first one. Once you're satisfied with the picture, you can hit the check button. I'm going to do one extra step though and click on the Design tab up here in the top left-hand corner of the dialog box. It's here that you can select alignment for the image, and I'm going to select the center alignment so that the image is aligned to the middle of the column. Click on the Save button, and now the most important part of using the Divi Builder is possibly this purple button with the three dots in it down here. When you click on it, that expands the administrator controls of the Divi Builder. And I'm going to select Publish so that my post appears on the website. Once it's saved it, you can hit up here in the top persistent black bar, Exit Visual Builder. And this will take you to essentially a live view of your post. Let's say you wanted to make some additional changes. Simply click on Enable Visual Builder. Divi will do its magic with the four dots. And you can click directly on the modules and edit them accordingly. You could make this bold or italic, or you could even turn it into a block quote. Of course, they've got all the other standard editing options available, and you can explore those as you see fit. Remember to hit the green box with the check mark in it to save any changes, and then the purple dot at the bottom to access the administrator controls for the Divi builder. Hit save, and when this is complete, we're going to take a look at how this post appears on a tablet and a phone. These options over here, you can toggle back and forth and get a kind of a feel about how it's going to work and look on most browsers and devices. And that should solve the problems for anybody that's putting together a post that's not looking quite right, or the image is chopping off some of the copy. Anyway, this is the fastest methodology that I'm aware of for ensuring that it's aligned correctly. All right, so that's it. I'm going to go delete this extra post I just added, and if you have any questions, please shoot me an email, or you can even give me a call at 252-558-3236. Thanks much. Have a great day.